today. They will be returning to Anderson Air Force Base for a total flight time of approximately 16 hours. The B-52 is capable of flying continuously for 14,000 kilometers unrefueled. Turn your attention to the south, that's stage left, and please welcome the mighty B-52 Stratofortress. Now, as I mentioned, ladies and gentlemen, please give the B-52 a hearty round of applause as they are headed back to Anderson Air Force Base. Total time of about 8 hours. They will be landing in the very wee hours. One pass and one pass only, but it was our pleasure to bring you this demonstration of United States Air Force air power today. See ya.